Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Chase bank account and access your credit card. Follow some easy steps that I will show you today. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe for more similar videos. Moving on to the process, first of all, go to your default search engine, type Chase Bank, go to the first result that pops up. It will then take you to the official website of Chase Bank. It might take a while to load the page. Once the page is loaded up completely, click on the sign in button on top right corner. Once the page is loaded up, enter your user ID and password and then press sign in. Once you click to login, you should be able to access your Chase Bank credit card information. That's how we log into your Chase Bank credit card. This much for today's video. Comment down your thoughts on this video, and if you guys find our video helpful, hit that subscribe button and see you guys next time. Bye bye.